Is this your car? Yes, this is my car. Is it a new car or a used car? It's a used car. Is it out of gas? No, it's not out of gas. Is it broken? Yes, it's broken. What's wrong with your car? My car is broken. Can you ask me what's wrong with my car? What's wrong with your car? I'll ask you one more time. What's wrong with your car? My car is broken. Can you drive a car if it's broken? No, I can't drive my car if it's broken. If you want to drive it, do you have to fix it first? Yes, if I want to drive it, I have to fix it first. Or buy a normal car. So, what do you have to do if you want to drive a broken car? If I want to drive a broken car, I have to fix it first. Repeat my question, please. What do you have to do if you want to drive a broken car? Do you prefer to drive a new car or a used car? I prefer to drive a new car. I need to fill up on gas. Is there a gas station nearby? No, there isn't a gas station nearby. Do you know why I need a gas station? Yes, I know why you need a gas station. Do I need a gas station because my car is low on gas? Yes, you need a gas station because your car is low on gas. Why do I need a gas station? You need a gas station because your car is low on gas. When you need to fill up your car, do you always look for cheap gas? Yes, when I need to fill up my car, I always look for cheap gas. Why? Because I don't have money for expensive gas. So, why do you always look for cheap gas when you need to fill up your car? when I need to fill up my car, I always look for cheap gas because I don't have money for expensive gas.